Question 26. Pramipexole is a drug used to treat the symptoms of Parkinson's. Pramipexole acts like a natural compound in the body, to stimulate the nerves. So that is an agonist. Next one, which I'm going to mispronounce, I'm just going to say it's a drug used to treat heroin addiction. It stimulates receptors in the body but produces less of a response compared to heroin. So this is still stimulating the normal receptors, so this is an agonist as well. Okay, which line in the table best describes them? Agonist and agonist. Remember, an antagonist is something which would be fighting against the normal responses, would be blocking the normal responses of the body. Question 27. The human nose can generally detect the toxic gas hydrogen sulfide at levels of 0.03 parts per million. If a person inhales 6 litres of air per minute containing 0.03 parts per million of hydrogen sulfide, what mass is inhaled? Right, so what you should know is that ppm is mgs per litre, or per kilogram if you're looking at other bits, okay, if we're looking at solid mass. So in this case, 0.03 per litre. Megs per litre, okay. 6 litres per minute, okay, so I'm just going to times this by 6, means that I get 0.18 megs, okay. That was 6 litres of air per minute. How much would be inhaled in 10 minutes? So just times that by 10, gives me 1.8 megs. There we go, done. Question 28. Which of the following techniques could be used to purify an impure sample of solid caffeine? Okay, it's pretty much you should know this. Your answer is recrystallization. Heating under reflux wouldn't really help because all you would do is keep all the chemicals in there. That's the whole point of the reflux. Distillation is you separating out liquids, and thin layer chromatography. Similarly, it's not actually going to help you purify the sample in this one, so C. 29. When substance X is distributed between equal volumes of two immiscible solvents, i.e. they won't mix, water and dichloromethane, an equilibrium will be established, and you've got the equilibrium here. Okay, so what that means is that K, which equals 4, is equal to X CH2Cl2 over X H2O. Okay, put it that way. Water is less dense than dichloromethane, and you've got dots to represent the solvents. Which of the following is the correct distribution? So if water is less dense, that means the water will float on top of that one. So let's get rid of these two. Okay, and then we're looking for there to be more in the top fraction and the bottom because we've ended up with a fraction that equals 4. Okay, so D. Question 30. A complex symmetric titration can be used to determine the concentration of which of the following? Okay, complex symmetric titrations involve basically you trying to find metal ions. That's really the most important thing. There we go. Okay, the rest are not. You would use a straight volumetric acid base for this one. You would use similar kind of things to deal with anions, and ethanol would be a different one as well. Okay, so calcium.